Hey everybody, it's Jen. Thanks for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, October 29th. I hope you guys are doing great and that you had a wonderful week. I've got a lot of great stuff to show you this week, so I'm just going to hop right on into it. The first thing is from Dollar Tree. I found this. They only had one of these cute little gingerbread plushies. It says cinnamon scented, but it doesn't smell like anything. But it's so cute, so I thought this would be a cute addition to my gingerbread decor. I usually do my kitchen in a gingerbread theme. I also picked up this from the Dollar Tree. Love their foam mounting tape, and this one has 25% more free, which is excellent. I found this huge ornament that I thought was beautiful. It also came in, I think it had like white in the background, but I like the silver. Oh, there's a piece of the foam that's missing. I didn't notice that. But yeah, there too. All right, so if you get this, make sure you check it over. But isn't that huge? And it's really, really pretty. I love all the bling on it and just love the shape of it too. I also found these cute little ornaments. They had a couple other different packs too. One had like an elf on it and Santa, something else. But I love the gingerbread guy. And this is okay, this candy cane. It's not made that great, as you can see, but maybe that makes it look homemade. But these are like clay. They're kind of bendable, and I thought they'd be cute in my Christmas decor this year too. I also found two of these, well, they had other colors, two of these huge bubble mailers, and these are bigger than the other colored ones that they have. These are 11 by 8.5. I think the other ones are 6 by 9. And these come in Christmas colors. There's red, silver, and there was green too. So, but I just got two of them. I don't really know what I will, I don't know if I'll use them for Christmas, but I figured I could use these colors year round. So let me move that because that glare is pretty bad. All right, so that's all I got from Dollar Tree this week, crafty-wise anyway. So let's keep going. I got a few things from KSCraft on AliExpress. I got this pack of charms, Christmas charms, and I do have a whole bunch of Christmas charms, but I like the variety of these. Oops. So let me just show you some of them. I do have a bunch of these gingerbread guys, but one more won't hurt. And they're nice and small too. This one is a little bell. What was that one? Oh, that's a cute snow globe. It says Merry Xmas. It's got some trees and stuff. These look really well made. Nice enamel charms. There's a cute little Santa. Cardinal, which is nice. And this one has a loop on the bottom too, so you can hang something else from him. Let's see what else. Oh, there's another bird. That's a chickadee, I believe, with a little scarf on him. And a reindeer. I think I have that one too. Another reindeer, different color. Pretty snowflake. Yeah, these are really good quality. Sometimes you get some charms and they're just not that great, but these are really cute. So, yep, lots of different ones. Oh, this one's cute. It's like a gingerbread tree on top of a car because it's like brown with gold trim. Can you see that? It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, I would call that gingerbread. There's a little penguin. Oh, it's so cute. These are adorable. Here's like a holly sprig. This is a good size. And we have a present. Another different kind of Santa. And a white snowflake. And that one's just like a gold snowflake with some bling on it. All different, which is nice. There's a candy cane. It's got like a 3D bow on it, gold bow. Cute. And then we had, this one's teeny tiny, little holly sprig. And another candy cane. This one's smaller with holly on it. And the last one is another bird. Oh, that's cute. It's got hat and earmuffs on. That's my kind of bird. All right, so those are from KSCraft. I will link them down below. I got a couple other things from them as well. I got this beautiful paper pack. It's a 6x6. I forget the name of it. Again, I'll link it down below. But it comes with all these different gingerbread-y kind of papers. And I just thought the graphics were beautiful. And these are actually printed really, really nicely. So I was happy about that. So we have this one with they're like mugs. Well, these are mugs, and they look like they have whipped cream on them, but they're decorated. And there's like a little gingerbread house on there, a jar filled with the house. Super cute and nice, like kind of teal, dark colors. This one's just kind of like a blender page. This one has Christmas cakes or puddings or whatever they are with candies and gingerbread cookies. This one's really pretty. Could totally fussy cut this or just cut out part of it to use or use the whole thing like in a mini album. And I like that the edges are distressed on this one. Another kind of blender filler page. This one has stripes of candy canes and peppermints. And I kind of got like a prim vibe for these, like a vintagey prim vibe. And here's a little bit different print of the, right? Is that, yeah, this one has a red background instead of the green. Of those houses. This one's adorable, right? With the houses and the things hanging in the corner. So it's like a, you know, candy one, but nice vintagey prim colors. I love this snowman. There's another page with all snowmen, and I made something out of it. I'll have to show you. So there's that. Super cute. I used some of this one already. This is just like teeny tiny peppermints, if you can see. And the one behind that is that snowman page that I used some of. And I just cut out exactly what I needed because there's only one of each. So I wanted to make sure I had enough. And this has little star gingerbread cookies, if you could see the detail on there. Nice and small. All right, so that was all the pages. And I'll show you my project in a minute. I wanted to show you everything else I got that I used to make it. I got some dies from KSCraft. There are, okay, I got this Gingerbread House Set, which comes with the 2 house pieces here, these house pieces, and this. So I had seen DM, who is Cutesy Shelf. Hi, DM, if you're watching. She had made some really cute gingerbreads with this, and I think Erica did too. So I don't really need a gingerbread house die. I have some, but I love all the different layers of this, the fact that you can make it a shaker. So I picked that up. And then I got this Gingerbread Bow Set. This is the smaller one, and this is all these bow pieces come together. I should have kept these 2 together. That's why I wrote here, cut together, just because it cuts it out better if you use them together. I just kind of got like snip happy and cut them all apart before I started. But these ones you can cut apart, which is fine. So there are icing pieces, there's the background pieces, and then pieces to make the inserts. And, there's obviously one for the loop part and one for the, ribbon part in the background. So there's that. Let me show you what I made. I made a little tag with the gingerbread die and with the paper. So this is what I made. I showed it on Instagram. I don't know what I was about to say, but anyway, this is what I made. This is the little house, and I'm getting really back into my prim roots here. Thanking Jillian Norwood, who's been making really cute prim crafts, and Anna White and Tina Crafty Bean. So thank you guys for inspiring me to make more prim stuff. But that's that little snowman. I just kind of fussy cut him to fit inside the doorway, and I think he's so cute. I put some stickles on his hat and on his scarf, and I used that peppermint paper also for the house. And this like polka dot paper is a doodlebug paper that I just kind of inked up to make it look more prim. I used my almond cream paper for the edges. I used like a bronze glitter paper for the gumdrops, and for that heart, that came from a different die. I used some like off-white glitter paper for the roof and the snow, and some ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby recently. I punched a tag. This is a new tag from a new set I got. I'll show you in a second. And I just put some twine here. And yeah, I think it came out so cute. I'm going to make some more of these. That's what the back looks like. Haven't done anything really to the back. Just used some craft paper to, make a little sturdier. But I think it came out adorable. I really, really like this one. I hope you guys like it too. So that's what I made with that die and those papers. All right, let's move on to the next store. Hold on one sec. I forgot to show you my gingerbread bow that I made. So isn't this adorable? Oh my gosh, that KSCraft die set is really, really nice and detailed. As you can see, there's several layers. There's a background white glitter paper layer that I used. Then the copper glitter paper I used for the like part that looks like gingerbread and it cuts out those shapes. And then I use a white glitter paper for the icing as well. This glitter paper that I used is really nice and thin, so it's easy to form bows out of. I'll get that out and show you what I used. And then I glued on a clay peppermint that I got from Happy Kawaii Supplies on Etsy. And I think it's such a cute little bow. I want to use Sharon, Craft Eccentricity. She made this with this cute little like meringue poof thing for the center, and I did order them from Allie. I'm just waiting for them to come. So then I will I'll use one of those in my next one because I think that really, really set off the bow nicely. But anyway, this is the paper pad that I used. I got this a long time ago at Hobby Lobby. It's a glitter paper pad by American Crafts. I have no idea if it's still available, but these are really, really soft, fluid glitter sheets. So I love this. And I use this for things like bows, which, you know, you have to bend and you don't want lots of creases in. So there's that. All right, let's move on. One quick thing at Michael's, I went and got more of that white glitter cardstock. After last week, I realized, yeah, you know, I really like this glitter paper and I want to go get some more. So they didn't have a ton left. I got 5 of them. They're $1.29 each. If you use a 20% off your total purchase, it comes to $1.04 each, which is not that bad. These are really nice and thick, so I think they're worth it. Again, this is the Recollections glitter cardstock, and this color is called Snow. The number is 220407. So, you know, it's in the open cardstock racks. So go ahead and look for that if you're looking for that too. All right. Like I said on that tag that I made, which I just covered up. Where did I put that? Tag. Oh, that tag that I made, this little tag, I printed out from a digital stamp file that I got from Etsy from the LOTV Digi Shop. And Jill Norwood, hi Jill, if you're watching, she had shown these and linked them too. And I thought they were adorable. They come in a big sheet of all different sentiments. I already cut mine out. Well, I think I have some strips left. Yeah, I cut it out. I printed it out on some glitter paper too. So they look like this. I just kind of cut them with my paper trimmer just generally, and then I'll go back and cut these parts and then fussy cut the curved part, which is not hard to do. So they came out so cute. You can print them on any color cardstock you want. It comes with individual files too, so you can resize them if you want. Lots of really pretty holiday sentiments. Here's some more. Happy Christmas. That's like a British, they usually say Happy Christmas. Cozy, they spell it with the S. So this is a British company. And yeah, cool Christmas, Christmas Eve, across the miles, joy to the world. Just really, really, really cute. So yeah, so on this one, I printed it on regular paper and just inked it a little bit. So these I printed on glitter cardstock. I'll link that file down below as well. And then there was this other file too that has like all these different baking sentiments and stuff. And these I already fussy cut. I printed these on some tan cardstock. Look how cute those are. Gingerbread kisses and Christmas wishes. They're the most adorable little tags. There are so many different cute ones. Again, I'll link this file as well down below. And I've never ordered digital stamps before, but it was great because, you know, you can print them any color you want. I just did black, of course. And, you know, it's easy. You don't have to get out your stamper or, you know, stamps and ink and all that stuff. You just print them out and just cut them. So I thought this was really fun and it'll, you know, encourage me to do this again. But oh my gosh, these are so cute, right? And it's so much cheaper than the polymer ones too. I think the polymer ones are like 20 and these were 4 or 5, something like that. So yeah, really, really cute. Oh, and there's one round one. Sugar and Spice Cookie Company. Eek, so cute. Gingerbread spice and everything nice. That's what Christmas is made of. Here are some of those sparkly ones that I fussy cut. So yeah, it was really fun to get these and cut them apart. I used my paper trimmer on all the straight edges because, you know, fussy cutting, not for me. But these are so cute, I was willing to do the little bit that it needed. So yeah, those tags, definitely, I think my favorite buy this week for sure. So, all right, let's move on. Mercari, I got a stamp, and it's huge. I had no idea that it was going to be this big, but I was looking for this one. I think Marilyn G had hauled this a while ago, and it's this cute wreath. Let me show you. You know what? She holds her hand up on part of it, and I think that's to prevent people from copying it. So I'm going to do that too. And this one is smudged anyway here on the picture. So, but yeah, it's got that cute little gingerbread guy on it. Look how big this is. I mean, it's like my hand size. I thought it was just a small wreath, but this will make it so much easier to color. And the back looks like it's in really good condition, and it was a really good price too. So yeah, so I picked that up. And this was, okay, that was, it's called Sugar Plum Wreath, and I think it's by Dots, if you're looking for that. And just before, I got in another order of stamps, and yeah, I'm getting into these wood stamps, you guys. They're really fun. Now, this lot I got because of one particular stamp, and I was going to order the stamp by itself from someone, but then I saw this lot that was much cheaper with like 5 different stamps and the one that I wanted, so I just got this. And it was free shipping too. So the one that I wanted was this cute little gingerbread guy with that huge bow. This is a Dots too, I think. Yeah, Dots. And this one is called 191 Small Ginger Joy. So I just really like this one. And this one is small, which is nice. And look, he's got like little stitch lines around him. Oh, so cute. I got to stamp these out and color them. Do you color with Copic markers, or does anyone use like color pencils? Just wondering. And then it came with this one. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. It's pretty. I wouldn't have gotten it by itself, but this one I think is adorable. It says Happy Holidays, and it's got a little snowman guy there. Just so cute. This one has no markings on it whatsoever, but it's in good condition. Oh, I didn't show you the other side of this one. This one just has somebody's initial on it. Oh, this is Rubber Stamp Heaven, RSH 1001. Okay, and then it came with this little penguin who's all right. I mean, I don't know. That's a PSX. And then there's another sentiment that says, "May the simple joys of the season be yours." So I think that's really cute. And this one also has no markings. But, you know, good condition. The rubber feels nice and soft. So those are the rubber stamps I got this week, which was really fun. I mean, I was very excited about that gingerbread wreath one. So cute.